brukar de göra, va? Det här var inte lätt. Nu kommer det.
Så. Hela lådan.
Vi hoppas det. Okej, sanningens ögonblick. Är den rosa? Men jag orkar inte. Hur söt är den här? What is more in the box? Instructions. iPad mini. Mini. No stickers. More papers. Here we go. Here is the stickers. White though. What about pink next time? Up top. And a cord and a charger.
Socket.
Something like this. And the best thing is, it's this USB-C.
C.
Yes, I see. This is the best one. One cable fits to everything. Good job, Apple. Thank you. Merry Christmas. No.
It's Happy Halloween.
It's Happy Halloween. Yeah, look what we got in the box today. What could it be? Let's open it.
There is a tab for easy opening. Yes.
Yes. And how do we do that? Close out. So let's open the pen. Are you ready for this? Here it is. And it's engraved. It says something here, and I will not show you. So that. What's in here? You might ask, is it any stickers? No. Just boring stuff. And no charger, because this little guy you charge in the iPad.
Yes.
I will show you. The pencil you connect like this. And it's magic, it's magnet, and it's real hard.
Very strong.
Very strong, you will not lose a pen. And this is the pink color. It's very, very nice. It's like ice pink. This is how it looks. Here you see, pencil is connecting and charging. And I have this protection, which is like paper-like. It's really nice if you want to draw. You hear the sound? It's not that shiny glass.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm drawing like a 2-year-old. I can be better on this. Let's compare the colors with my old 2020 iPad Air. This one is also pink and it's engraved, but I don't want to show what it says. Here you can see the size difference also. The big one is warmer pink, more like rose gold. I love them both. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.
Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye. And check out our other videos with DIYs. And the dog. The dog. She's so cute. She just wake up. She have an anime hair.